Hey guys, today we are going to talk about woodworking. We at World for Vinny have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying woodworking. I also have some really important caveats, which I'll talk about throughout the video, so be very careful that you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing. The first thing you need to know about woodworking is, be careful with the website you are going to buy it from, because it is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video.
Is woodworking and does it really work? Alan West creator. It might sound crazy, but you're just seconds away from a jaw-dropping cache of step-by-step video guides on building just about anything you've ever dreamed of for your home and loved ones. From chopsticks to baby cribs, from a dismantled old chair to a unique work of art, to creative presents for your family and friends out of plain wood. I'm talking about a library of over 1,000 hours of detailed videos and blueprints in crystal clear, mouth-watering HD that will take you by the hand so you'll be able to build everything radically easy, almost on autopilot, with no offcuts and waste, leaving only sawdust on the floor. I'm giving you little secrets for what kind of tools to use, and even tools you can build yourself, so you can make sure the parts are an easy fit. This way, you'll be having a blast building any project in the Woodwork 101 video guides cache, and you don't have to go out of your way to do it. Each step of the construction is perfectly shot in detailed HD that makes building any project like assembling Legos. If you follow these videos, you'll never think twice about what you're doing, and you'll get it right from the first try.
There's something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually try woodworking for the 60-day guarantee, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they'll give you your money back. So be sure to use woodworking, but make sure you are purchasing from the official website to ensure you benefit from the warranty. You may see initial results within the first month, but most people see better results after 1 month of using this product. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful which site you buy woodworking, and also, if you buy the product you will maybe have a new profession or build something amazing. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that woodworking really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here to this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you